Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video, I'm going to unbox the new mini book Makers Club kit from Everyday Explorers. And it comes with a 4x6 mini book. It comes with a stamp set, a sticker sheet, two cutout pages, and a little print. And also comes with this mini booklet, which is full of ideas, and it also has 30 prompts of things to be grateful for. You can also get digital kits and use them with this little mini book, or you can do something like, I don't know, you can document the books you're reading, the movies you're watching, series, and all that. But I'm going to use the prompt of gratitude, and I'm going to do 30 things that I'm grateful for. It also comes with this print that kind of looks also like a postcard, so you could use it as a postcard since it has the correct size. And these cutout pages are really awesome too. And I love that double tap heart, and I'm so glad that it's in the stamp set. And on the right top corner, you're going to see a sneak peek of one of the stamps that also was released this month, which is the current seals. And on the back, it gives you little tips to prep them, like using an eraser. In my case, I use a Tombow Mono eraser. I love that the stickers, oh, it's actually 3 sheets. I love that the stickers, one of them is little phrases because I love those. And those labels are perfect for either stamping or you could layer them. And it comes with this little tag that you can add to your book. You can put it on the outside, on the inside. And each month inside, they are a little bit different. And this is how they look this month. You can write when did you start, when did you started the book, and at the end, when did you finish. So the first thing I'm going to do with the mini book is add something to the cover. You can leave it plain like that, and I love how it looks. It's a really pretty craft color, but I do love stamping on craft. And I wish that one of the colors that I used for this was white. When you stamp craft with all white, it looks so pretty. So if you have one of these mini books and you're not sure what to do, I would recommend trying out with white. Maybe next month that will be my thing. But I use the stamps are from Everyday Explorers too. And it's the one that comes with the mini book kit. And I use the Studio Calico inks. The blue one that I'm using is from A Beautiful Mess, back when it existed. But it's the same size, the same formula. It's exactly the same thing. And I'm going to use a few different colors to stamp around. And this size was perfect because it fit 5 of these just perfectly. I love how it turned out. And I usually use a cushion underneath what I stamp, but since this is a little book, it's not that easy. I am using my Long Fun chamois to erase the arrow. That way I could show that little heart in the corner. And the chamois, I'm going to have the items that I use linked below. There are affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but they do help a lot. And I appreciate if you're using them. I am adding the print to the book, but I kind of wanted to do like an extra page, a little flip. So I am using washi tape, or you can glue it directly to the first page or even the cover if you like it. I just wanted to add different textures and different sizes, and I'm just making sure that the washi tape is correctly placed. That way I see the page and it's not going to bother the pages after that. And I had a few photos, options of things that I'm grateful for, and I decided to make my first 2 pages about my daughters, and I wanted them in the same, like, facing each other. I'm going to use that stamp that I absolutely love, the double tap. Oh, something that it would also be really cute will be to alternate the double tap and the circle, kind of like the Target circle, but with the heart in the middle on the front of the page. That would be, that would be really cute. And I thought about making both photos a circle, but my oldest photo like wouldn't fit for that because I kind of wanted to keep all the length. So I just figured that I would make one a circle and one a rectangle. The circles, I use my Lawn Fawn die. And this paper is from Joann's. And I just wanted to use like a little matte, a little bit of extra color. I've seen people that keep it really simple and it looks really cute. And I do love simple in theory. Because when I start making something and I say, oh, I'm going to keep it very simple, I always go, okay, but let me add one more sticker and one more of this and maybe a little washi tape. And then it's not simple at all. So I tried, but it's not something that I'm good at. I love the stickers. They're super cute. And I also wanted to add a few other elements. I love stamping on photos too, so I'm going to use that same My Heart is Full stamp, but I'm going to stamp directly on the photo. When stamping directly on the photo, make sure you try out your paper. I use Canon Glossy 2 paper with my Canon Pixma. That is also going to be linked below. But some papers are not very friendly with certain inks, so just stamp somewhere you can add a label or embellishment to cover if it doesn't turn out that well. And the eraser that I use to prep my stamps is right there on the right. Is the Tombow Mono eraser. I'm using my Inkjoy pens to write a little bit of journaling, and on the right I use the Tombow Mono Drawing pen, and this is a size 02. And I love the colors because one is like purple and dark and blue, and the other one has orange and pink, and it matches the photos really well. And you can also use those cutout pages. They're really awesome. And you can layer them with the labels, or you can stamp directly on the labels. And also the other page with the cutouts has labels, so you can try, if your paper is not very friendly with stamps, you may want to try out that too. I'm also using the StazOn, which is one of, in my opinion, one of the best black inks. My favorite white one is the Brilliance ink. I think they are both from Tsukineko, but I'm not complete. I'm gonna say that they both are, but I don't think it's that important. I'll have the links for those below too, so you can find them. And the pages could be done right now, but if you're not familiar with my style, I keep adding and adding until I'm like, oh my god, this is a lot. But I still like it at the end of the day, otherwise I wouldn't be doing it over and over. And I'm going to add little enamel hearts around the page and call it a date. And those are going to be my first 2 pages. I'm also planning to share a few on my reels on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, is Jenny Garcia N. So you can follow me over there to find out about deals and other projects that I have going on. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this kit and the pages that I make. Let me know if you'll be getting the kit. And if you want to see more of this, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell so you get notifications. Thank you so much and have an awesome day. Bye.